Hello everyone. Today let's see 30 megawatt solar panel production line working in Uzbekistan Tashkent. Let's see solar cell tester and solar cell cutter, and this solar cell paper stringer with MBB max to 20 BBB. See, 20 rows. And this machine using robot and camera test. Here is layup, and this air tester. See, this air defect tester, and this a big laminator, manual working stable. See, this is laminator vacuum pump and oil pump, water cooling tank. Here are finished panels. Frame and junction box installation. And last is IV tester. So this is 30 megawatt solar panel production line working in capital of Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Hello. It's back sheet, Eva. So this is, oh, it's night. Company name.